Good evening, guys.
Good evening, sir.
So, I have taught you present indefinite, active passive voice, present continuous also I have taught you. Today I will teach you present perfect, active passive voice. So, first sentence right now. She has written the books. She has written the books. She has written the books. That is perfect, active. Now we have to change into the passive voice. So the passive voice is very simple way. The books have been written by her. Okay, so she had written the books. The books have been, because object which improvers only use have, a singular have been written by. She changed her. Okay, that's the passive voice formula here. She had written the books have been written by her. That very simple. You want to review. So one more way actually here, the direct passive voice. If sentence here. She has written. She has written. So she written is simple, complete sentence, perfect sentence. If I ask you, just make the passive voice into it, you have to make it the passive voice. So we don't have an object here. We have subject, helping verb, and the verb. Complete sentence we have. Has to be in English. So what's the passive voice of it? Oh,
It's written by her.
yeah.
Written has been.
So she has been written. She has been written. She has been written. Or one more way. It has been written by her. Okay? One more. This is actually she has been written. Or one more way we can make it. It has been written by her. It has been written by her. That also passive is possible. So, friends, you know, those who are watching the videos every day and they want to learn the new things. So, journaling is given both, but this is also it's the advanced passive voice. She had written, she has been written, or it has been written by her. These are the passive voice also. Those who actually read English newspaper in the Hindu or the Indian Express or any of the newspaper, those who read, so they come across these sentences in advanced sentences. So please, I would like to request you, those who are, those who actually watch my videos every day. So please, you gotta practice at your home with your friends and your siblings too. Any doubt you come across, so you can ask me anytime. I'm available here, my number is over there. And below this video and comment action again. So I'm requesting you to make comment also. It's really important for you and for me also. That. Do you have any doubt, guys? Do you have any doubt? Eventually you can ask me. Sumit, do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Any doubt you have? You don't want to ask me anything? You sure about it? Okay, that's fine. This concept clear about?
Yes.
This concept clear. How long it is that? Okay, that's fine. And tomorrow I'll teach you the next one. Actually, a passive voice, it's 8 in advanced English. All 12 passive voice possible. 8 actually, then you can make it 8 only. 3 present and 3 past and 2 future. Total 8. So next past indefinite future tomorrow. I mean the next past. So please subscribe and like my video. Thank you. Thank you.